Hey guys, this is the first night Noah and I are sleeping in our house. We are so excited. So today we got our dressers and our bed, which is right here. And so we could sleep over. I mean, live at our house, I guess. It's just weird, but yeah, this is our house and we're living here. So Sunday, we're moving everything else over here. So our couch, our table and chairs, those things. There aren't a ton of things left. We just have things that were in our storage unit, just odds and ends. But tomorrow, I'm going to my friend's wedding. Not only that, but I am doing her makeup. She hired me to do her makeup and 2 bridesmaids. So I'm gonna be doing that early in the morning. I think it will be 9 o'clock when I start, and it's in Minnetonka, which is like 45 minutes away from here, so it's not very close. So Noah and I have to get up super early. He's gonna be my little assistant, and we're gonna get up and go there. Then it's gonna be the wedding, I think, at 2 or 3. I don't know. I'm so tired, guys. We have been moving stuff and doing house stuff all day. We brought over a lot of things and just like exhausted. But yesterday was my friend's bachelorette party, and it was funny because we did it during the day, and we went tubing on the Apple River, which was really fun. So Noah's here now. And I didn't get sunburnt. It was absolutely a miracle, because if you guys see how white I am, like I actually got some color though. For me, I'm kind of more tan, right? But I literally applied sunscreen every 30 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. Anytime I got wet, which was a lot, I reapplied sunscreen. Everyone else was so red, so I'm kind of happy that I didn't get red. I did not want to be uncomfortable on the wedding day, and like I'm wearing a dress and stuff, and it's gonna be hot, so we'll see, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. And then after that, the next day on Sunday, we are moving everything, so it is going to be a crazy weekend. And I'm excited, but I'm also like exhausted even thinking about it, but we're gonna make it through. And then after that, we just get to chill and enjoy our house and unpack at our leisure, right? No one's making a face. So that's what's going on with us. It's so cool. See, there's a lot of stuff around though. I mean, boxes and bins and stuff, but that's my walk-in closet. I got most of my clothes in there. I think it looks so empty, like I feel like I had a lot of clothes, but when you have this big walk-in closet, no, I need more clothes apparently. And Noah's got a lot of space too, so we're not really used to that, are we? No.
Sharing one closet that size.
Yeah, so that was like overflowing almost, but yeah, this is our bedroom. It's a work in progress, obviously. This is the dresser that Noah painted, and I think it's gonna probably go in the closet in the second bedroom. And my vanity is gonna go over there. And this is the dresser that I painted, and it's really nice. And there's the mirror. Hi.
I'll probably move the bed more this way.
Do you believe me that it's like, it seems like my outlet's so far away? So that's where my nightstand would go. But this is our first night. Stop it.
We'll absolutely love her.
But this is our first night in our house. It's so freaking exciting. I don't know. And then we gotta get up early, so hopefully.
We have to be gone by 7:30.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So we can get gas.
We're gonna need some energy drinks.
We have to go, yeah, we have to go to Target and get.
Oh, yeah.
And then we have to be early because we're working.
We're working.
It's a business.
I'm getting paid, getting that money. What is this? I don't know what I'm
Pinching.
getting the money. You can tell we're a little delirious. We're gonna
I've been
eat some
taking-
pizza.
I've been taking Benadryl for the past 3 days, so I'm constantly feel like
Tell them why you've been taking Benadryl.
because we had fleas.
Yeah, in this old nasty
Here.
carpet.
They hatched because the people turned the AC off, and so they hatched, which was kind of a good thing if they did that, because then they starved. But then they were starving so bad that they decided they would come and
They're gonna
bite
eat
me.
you.
And they bite me mainly because I think what I read is that it's because I have O negative blood. I don't know if that's the reason, but because I have it, like they bit me everywhere. That's just one
That's
leg.
so sad.
I counted and I had like 40 or 50 bites.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
it
Like,
was-
what is this?
Oh, that's from bonking on something that I moved today.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my legs are falling apart.
Your poor baby legs.
This looks like I'm infected with
like you're gonna become a zombie.
Yeah, I'm gonna become a zombie. Now it's
So
on
we
fire.
had to bug bomb the house. I think I said that in another vlog, but we had to bug bomb the house before the carpet people came, and then they didn't even put in the carpet, and so we had to wait a
That was
total
probably a good
of
thing.
3 days.
I talked to my friend, she's an entomologist, and she said the bug bomb doesn't do anything unless it hits the flea, and the chemical dries like almost as soon as it is out of the can. So bug bombing doesn't really do much. But
Well,
the fact that
we did our due diligence.
But the fact that we did the salt was a good thing because the salt kills the larva. And
Oh,
we
okay.
salted the whole place. She said that's the best thing you did was the salt. And then we made sure the AC was on, and then they took out the carpet, so then there was no carpet in the whole house.
Yeah,
and so they couldn't
absolutely.
live or survive.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll find out like tonight if I fall asleep. And I
Oh
wake up
no,
and I
there
have more
will be
bites.
none. Don't worry. So I'm laying in my bed. I picked this side. This is my side. This is my side.
It's the side you're always on.
It's true. When you get married, you always pick a side, and that's the side you stay on. But yeah, it's crazy. We're spending the night in our house. Well, living here. I don't know. It's not really spending the night because from now on, we're going to be spending the night. We realized that it's going to be really quiet and we're going to be alone. Like, we're not going to have people around. And it's kind of sad. Like, we miss people. And especially Poppy is like, my in-laws' dogs are adorable. And they would come in the morning and they would lay with us and cuddle with us and lick our faces. And I am going to miss that. I don't know how much longer I can go without a dog. Because we've really wanted one for so long. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys the update and the carpet. Oh, let me turn you around and show you. Here's the carpet. It's so pretty. And don't you love my tan lines? That's when I wear my sandals. My white sandals are my favorite. And they got like these crisscross patterns. So that's how tan I look. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Anyways, this is the carpet. It's really, really pretty. It's like this gray tone that's got like flecks of beige and sand. It's really, really pretty, and it makes the walls look really nice. And I don't know if you can tell on video, but you can finally see the difference in the tones of the paint, because this wall is like more of a medium gray and this one's a light gray, so you can kind of see the difference now a little bit, maybe, possibly. I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna eat pizza and get some sleep and then do this wedding. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog. It'd be really fun if I could, so maybe I will, but we'll see. There's a lot of stuff going on tomorrow, so hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and watch our next one, because we're just gonna continue this journey as we are settling into our new house, and all of these things are so exciting because they've never happened for us before. So we're really excited, and I hope you guys are too. So thanks for watching so much, guys, and we will see you in our next vlog. Bye!